already know all the good. Oh, there's a cop behind me. Guys, I wanted to surprise you guys. I've already had this for a long time, guys. My thing is, so guys, we're gonna go pick up a bumper right now, but we're not actually taking the G today, which by the way has the new carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can see it in there. No, you can't. But today we're gonna be taking the Volkswagen because we need to pick up a bumper, and this has all the right space. So let's hop in the freaking Volkswagen. This is how you know I get used to the G. I usually go in and expect the door to close on me, kind of like a chauffeur, because the freaking hinges don't work, but these actually do work, so I gotta shit. He lives in Stockton, which is exactly 1 hour away here from Sacramento. But right now we are in Sacramento, so we got an hour to go, and I'll see you guys there. But before I do, enjoy this Sacramento skyline, guys. Look at this. Shout out to Sacramento, my 916 boys. Yup, there you go. Guys, September 29th, I believe, we are having our first meet. Like, we're hosting our first Sacramento car meet. It should be a freaking good time. I hope to see a lot of you there, and it's gonna be freaking awesome. So yeah, guys, I think he's rich as fuck. Look, he lives in a gated community, bro. Like, what the fuck? Hey bro, you live in a gated community or what?
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, is this considered doing donuts or what, bro? Look, I mean, I ain't burning wheel, but I'm still doing donuts, right? Cold start up? Your car's at what, 06 or
07? Last of the years.
So we're about to go on a ride with the famous VQ Jelson. Is that how you say your name?
Yeah.
Jelson? So like if you step on it, it don't pop? No? Nada. Alright guys, we just picked up the bumper. It's right here in the back. We still gotta prep it. You already know all the good. Oh, there's a cop behind me. I'm gonna put the camera down for a bit. I don't want to get caught. The bumper still needs a lot of, you know, prepping. We're gonna sand it, and it's got one crack we didn't notice, which is all right. It's really minor crack. We're just gonna, you know, try to repair it, sand it down, fix it up, you know, do a bunch of shit. My diffuser was cracked too. Ended up fixing it a little bit, somewhat. So we're gonna find a way. All right guys, so we just picked up the bumper. It still needs a ton of work, guys. We need to sand this whole bumper. We gotta take out all this stupid plastic dip. Fuck this guy, whoever did a plastic dip on a stupid bumper. I need to take off all the plastic dip. Then I got what's it called? There's a crack here. There's some other cracks here on the corner. I'm gonna, you know, fix that, sand it down. And I had some cracks like right here. As I took the plastic dip out, I found out more cracks, but I had one here. Sanded it down as smooth as a baby's butt right now. So this is gonna look good. I'm gonna put this one that was a major crack is now super smooth. I'm thinking just painting over it like that. It's already like freaking sealed, but I might put a little bit of resin just to harden it up. All right guys, we just finished sanding it, cleaning it. Well, now we added some resin to fix the cracks. Let me show you guys. Added resin there. I had a crack there, and I had a crack there. This one you can't even see. It's I totally forgot to add resin to this part, and it was the main crack. Holy crap, let me go fix it. I guess sometimes it's useful to record things because then you forget shit. Oh my god. This is how you know it's hot in Sacramento. Usually the resin takes around, you know, 8 hours to 12 hours to dry, you know, so it can be fully dried. Here in Sacramento, it only takes around 5 hours. Super smooth, not sticky, not nothing whatsoever. Fully healed, man. Because my bumper, the lip, let me show you guys. You guys look at my G. This universal lip. Yep, that's what happens. Look from the side. It's down, it's touching the ground. Guys, I wanted to surprise you guys. I've already had this for a long time, guys. My thing is actually twin turbo. I just never told you guys. Twin turbo, bro. We got 2 turbos right there. Twin turbo. Check that out. Okay, that was a joke. My bad. Sorry, bro. Sorry, guys. Come on. Bad joke. All right. I'll end the vlog here. All right, guys. So there's the bumper. It's not. I haven't even put anything. Like, I haven't even drilled holes or anything. But there is the bumper. That's how it looks. It would be cool to have like an intercooler there. That would be freaking dope. But regardless, I had to take all the energy absorbers out because it wouldn't fit. And it still has horrible freaking fitment, guys. This thing is from Duraflex, whatever. I just realized that. This thing, I don't know what the hell they think. This is atrocious freaking fitment. Like, obviously with the pins, it's all gonna bounce back up. Look at that gap, dude. Almost 1 finger. Like, right here is supposed to have an indentation. It has no indentation whatsoever. So we're gonna have to do some freaking customization to this. Thank God we have the tools for it. We'll see what we make of it, and we'll try to make this fit because Duraflex is a piece of shit. So there you go. I mean, it is. I got it really cheap from a friend, so I was like, why not? Plus, it gives me content and it gives me some practice to freaking customize a bumper. So that'll give me some good practice. But besides that, yeah, it'll look good. It'll look good, guys. Trust me, we'll work with it. Alright, guys, good morning. We're rolling into day 2 bright and early. We have the G inside, but we have to take it out because today we are going to be, we're gonna cut the bumper because, like I said, we need this thing, and this thing's flat, so we gotta fix the fitment. It'll be alright, but we gotta fix that. In this process, I'm gonna try to record it, see if we can get it on film. This bumper is fucking ass. Okay, like this, I'm probably gonna have to trim this down because it's clashing with the headlight and it needs space. I need to trim this. I'm gonna leave it in the sun, see if it can mold better, but as you can see, right, it goes up, and then like right here it doesn't want to go up, and then so like we're gonna have to make this work, and we just need the right people here. Well, but right now I'm gonna call it quits, man. Plus, I don't have the right tools. I know he has some tools in his car that we can probably do this job with, but for right now. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end the freaking vlog here. I don't have the right tools right now. My dad, he has great tools to modify this, and I think I need his help as well. I kind of quit on this, man. It's so, the freaking fitment on this bumper is legit, has got to be the worst freaking fitment. And I know you guys are probably like, well, what did you expect? You got Duraflex on. Yeah, guys, I know, but I mean, like, I never thought it would have been that bad. I'm just saying. Like, I knew there was a lot of reviews out there, but I'm just shocked at how bad it really is. But then again, it gives me content, and it gives me some skill to actually customize and do a bunch of shit to parts and make them fit, make them work, you know. So I think this will be a great story. We're gonna make it work regardless. 100%, we're gonna make it work. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna make it work. So that's not the issue. I'm just kind of at the moment kind of just letting my emotions go. We're gonna let it sit in the sun for a while right now. But here's the issue, guys. Like, so this had a little flap here to connect to the little bolts down here. I was thinking, so I cut that off because it was just flat like you guys saw previously. I need to, like, this one even go up, and this is because this little thing right here clashes with the headlights. So, and I can't really sand it down because this is like a flap too, kind of like this. So what I'm thinking, and what's probably mostly gonna happen, is that I'm probably gonna have to cut this whole flap out and then keep trimming it to lower this kind of arc until this can fit. Because even if I add some force, Like, it barely fits, you know. And I'm obviously gonna trim that so it's fit and flush, but look at that. So I'm gonna have to probably cut that trim, and same with the other side, guys. And let me know down in the comments all the bad things, guys. I know you guys are gonna let it rip on me, and you know that's what I get. But go ahead, let it rip. It'll be an interesting project. I'll try my best to make it work, and I know I am. So you know, drop a like, drop a comment, mostly a comment. I don't even want you guys to freaking throw a like on this. This is whatever, guys. We'll make it work. I'll catch you guys next vlog when we continue this project. And for right now, I'll catch you guys later. Never got in my way, never got my mama whip on the driveway. I've been making all hits on a Friday. Back then I was